So to begin with, we will start by making access port. So we will be needing two switches, switch 1 and switch 2. And for switch 1, maglalagay tayo ng total of 12 PCs and 4 VLAN. So, kuha tayo ng on device. So, gamitin sa PC. Pinin lang natin ito sa PC1. Two, and 3. And then 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, and 9. Um, my 11 and 12. So for VLAN 1, will accommodate bus Ethernet to 1 to 5. PC2 on Ethernet 2, PC3 on Ethernet 3. This would be VLAN 1. And then for PCs 4 to 6, connect lang ulit natin sa we will be starting to class Ethernet 6, 7, and 8. They will be under VLAN 2 and ports 6 to 10. So for PC7, 8 to 9, we will be using ports 11 to 15. So to begin with, bus Ethernet, PC7 to bus Ethernet 11, PC8 to bus Ethernet 12, and PC9 to Ethernet 13. This group would be under VLAN 3. And for that VLAN 4, will accommodate the Ethernet ports 16 to 20. So PC10 connected to port 16, 11 to port 17, and PC12 to port 18. So these PCs will be under VLAN 4. VLAN 4. So for the second switch, maglalagay na ulit tayo ng another set of 12 PCs. So for the VLAN 1, 12 PCs. Fifteen, so 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, yan, 21, 22, 23, and PC 24. So for the VLAN 1, in the second switch, we will be using ports 1 to 5. So ports 1 to 5, then 2, Ethernet 2, Ethernet 3. So this will be VLAN 1. So for the VLAN 2, we will be using ports 6 to 10. So to begin with, PC6, let's connect this to Ethernet 6, PC7, 17 to plus Ethernet 7, and PC18 to Ethernet 8. This would be VLAN 2. And for VLAN 3 is PC19 and 20. We'll be using the ports 16 to 20. 11 to 15. And lastly, pieces 21 to 24 will be under Fast Ethernet 16 to port 20. Seventeen, 18, and 19. This will be Villa 3, and this work would be this work would be VLAN 4. So for the access ports, for the VLAN 1, we will be using Fast Ethernet 5 and connect it to Fast Ethernet 5 of switch 2. And for the VLAN 2, we will be using Fast Ethernet 10 on switch 1 connected to Fast Ethernet 10 on switch 2. And for VLAN 3, we will be using Fast Ethernet 15 on switch 1 to Fast Ethernet 15 on switch 2. And lastly, for the VLAN 4, we will be connected to Fast Ethernet 20 on switch 1 and Fast Ethernet 2 on switch 2. Fast Ethernet 5, Fast Ethernet 10, switch to Fast Ethernet 10, Fast Ethernet 15 to Fast Ethernet 15 switch 2, and Fast Ethernet 20 switch 1, Fast Ethernet 20 and switch 2. So this would be the access port. So for the trunk port, simply we'll be connecting switch 1 on switch 2 via Fast Ethernet 24 on switch 1 and Fast Ethernet 24 on switch 2.